Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Kareem Clemens. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much for following me right here, right now on Ghetto Kitchen Man. Ghetto Kitchen Man. Welcome back. I am gonna be sharing with you a hack that everybody can do in the groceries from when you get things from the grocery store. Right here, Ghetto Kitchen Man. I'm gonna show you something. That's why I'm scooped down to low. Go. All right. So look, I have these muffins. All right. So these muffins I got probably today is Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Sunday, Saturday, 5 days ago. Right? I'm gonna show you if I can feel it like these sponges. Right? Why they so soft? Right? So I'm about to have me one right here. Okay, blueberry, right there. Right? So soft, man. I'll show you right here how you keep these soft. A hack. Stay tuned. So what you do is, you know the bags that you get? Make sure you grab 2 of them. Alright? What you do is, the paper that you get with it, you just cover it just like this. Okay, you cover it just like that. Alright? Take a bag. You take a bag and just like so. Alright? Then what you do is you make sure this bag right here have as no air as possible. Alright? There's no air. Alright? Tie that up. And boom. Here is the first tier. Get your second bag, right? Put your first bag inside. And what you're going to do is you're going to take it like this and boom. You add air in it just like that, right? And tie it up and boom. This is how you keep your muffins that you get from your local grocery store soft for, it's already 5 days already. Usually these things last for maybe a couple of hours, right? And they start getting hard and stuff. But this is how I'm able to keep these from being hard and stay fresh and everything just by doing this hack, right? So let me go ahead and enjoy my soft blueberry muffin right here, right now on Ghetto Kitchen Man. I'll see you guys very soon. Have a good one. Remember to hit that like button and please tell your friends about Ghetto Kitchen Man right here on Facebook. I got a muffin to go eat. I'll see you guys very soon. Peace.